waonge gi pi.
Jofwambo matiyo maonge puoth makare omisiem ni koro ibiro makgi. Jatend Media Council of Kenya David Omuoyo wacho ni joma kamano ema ketho nying jofwambo kuwuoyo chenro mar yango riwruog jofwambo ma Siaya County Siaya Press Club. Omuoyo omedo ni en tok chik ne jafwambo tiyo maonge oboke mapuodhe kaka jafwambo. Omedo ni riwruogno osingo mar rito jofwambo e tijegi ma bende biro konyo e chwalo tijgi e makare.
So 200 million. Averagely, the county of Siaya gets how much per month? Now
in Siaya we have about 50, only about 17 are accredited. We will lock them out now. It is illegal to purport to practice journalism without accreditation, isn't it? Because then you miss a few things. You have no access to training. You have no access to journalism and story writing grants, which the Media Council offers from time to time. But most importantly, you lose the press freedom protection, which is by law a benefit of all accredited journalists.
We have had very, very cordial working relationship, partnering in serving the members of public of Siaya County. And from where I'm seated, I've seen you practice responsible journalism.
One of the big problems that the media fraternity in Siaya was confronted with is access to information. And I can assure you that after that engagement, I had a little meeting with my people and said that, we must give access to the media and to, for that matter, every Kenyan to get information about the county